Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an email autoresponder inside of n8n. And I'm going to walk you through the whole entire workflow and how to set everything up. And real quick, let me show you how it works. So I'm going to go to my separate email account right now. Then I'm going to email myself. And also I'm going to set the subject of the email, the business meeting talk about AI automations. And the message is going to say, are you going to be at the business meeting today for the AI automations? So let's send that over right now. We should be getting the email any second. And let's just make sure our workflow is active. All right, yeah, it's active. And guys, every 1 minute, it's going to scan through all of our recent emails and it's going to make a draft reply to it. And we got the email right here. So let's wait 1 minute and then a draft should appear. And just like that, it automatically responded and it made the response a draft. So let's click on the email and let's see what it said. Hello, yes, I will be attending the meeting today for AI automations and I'm looking forward to discussing new opportunities and insights. It also put a second option and said, or, hello, unfortunately, I won't be able to attend the meeting for AI automations today, but please keep me informed about the discussions and decisions made. I'm very interested in staying up to date. This workflow is absolutely insane. It automatically responds to any of your emails for you and it turns it into a draft so you can review it before sending. And today, I'm going to show you how to set this all up. And real quick, if you guys want this workflow template right here, then you can join my group down below called the Automators. It's the first link in the description down below. And you can join it today for super duper cheap. And you'll get access to every single one of my workflows and all my AI courses. So join up if you want this workflow. And now let's get to building. So to start off, you want to go up here to the top right and then click on these 3 dots. And now that you press the 3 dots, click on import from file. And guys, I highly recommend you get the template for this workflow because if not, it's going to take a while for you to make. So once you press import file, just find the file, then import it. And now let me walk you through the workflow. So if we start over here, this is the Gmail trigger. And it's going to get triggered every single time we receive a new email. So let's double click on it real quick. We have the mode set to every minute right now. So every single minute, it checks if there's a new email sent to our inbox. And if there is, it's going to check if it needs a reply. And if it doesn't, then it won't do a reply. But if it does, it's going to use OpenAI ChatGPT to create a response. And after it creates a response, then it saves it as a draft email. And after it's a draft email, we'll be able to go in and edit it if we want and instantly just press the send button and send it as a reply. And this workflow is one of the most useful workflows. And I highly recommend all you guys use it as well because it can help you respond to any of your emails, whether it's business, personal, or anything like that. But now let me show you how to set it up. And to set it up is actually super duper simple. First off, let's go to the Gmail and double click on the Gmail. And after you do that, go up here and then press create new credential and then sign in with a Google account. And make sure you sign in with the Google account that you want to auto respond to emails from. So I would just select a random account right here and then press this button right here and then select all and then finally press continue. But I already have an account, so I'm not going to press that. And then guys, there should be a save button. So make sure to press it right here. And after you got your account, just go to all the other email ones and then it should automatically connect. And now let's set up the OpenAI. So to do this, you want to go to this website right here called platform.openai.com. This is where we're going to get our OpenAI API. This is how we're actually going to make the OpenAI function work. So to start off, you're going to want to create an account. After you create an account, go over here to billing. Now I say add $10 or so to your account because every few times it responds, it's going to spend around 1 cent. So to add money to your balance, just press add to credit balance right here. And then I say add $10 or so. And then you should be fine. And after that, guys, head over here to the left side and press API keys. And now go to the top right and press create new secret key. And by the way, do not share the secret key with anyone because if you share with people, they will be able to hack your account and spend all of your credits. So do not share with anyone, guys. But right here, you can name your secret key and you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to say Gmail autoresponder. And after you do that, just select a random project or create a new project if you don't already have one. And then press create secret key and your secret key should be made. And I'm going to have it blurred, but you want to copy it right here and then head back to n8n. Now that you're on n8n, you're going to want to double click on the ChatGPT ones right here, just like so. Double click on that. Then go up here and press add new credential or create new credential and then input your API key right here. Once it's inputted, press save and make sure to select your account. And once you select your account, double click on this one and then select your account again. And by the way, if you're wondering what prompt we were using for the ChatGPT, let's just double click on this right here and let me show you. So the message is your helpful personal assistant. Your task is to draft replies on my behalf to my incoming emails. Whether I provide some text from an email, return an appropriate draft and reply for it and nothing else. And then there's a whole lot of other stuff. You guys can read through it up here. Add a copy and paste it since it's so long. And that's how to set up the n8n Gmail autoresponder. And this is one of the most helpful workflows. And once again, if you guys want this workflow for super cheap, plus all my other workflows you've seen in my videos, then make sure to join the Automators. This is the first link in the description down below. It's my private group and you can join it for super cheap today. And you'll be able to access all of my workflows and this one on the screen. And you can literally just paste it into n8n and get started. It's as simple as that. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see another video, then make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and click this one on the screen. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.